Hey friends, if you wish to disable or enable biometric sign-in on Windows joined to a domain, then please watch this video. This can be done through the registry editor window and it will only work with enterprise or professional versions of Windows, not on the home version. So search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open the registry editor. Go to the key H key local machine, software, policies and Microsoft. Okay. Now right click on Microsoft and create a key named biometric. Right click, new key, biometric. Then there is something called as credential provider. New key credential provider. Okay. Now you will create a DWORD 32-bit entry named domain accounts in the right pane. Right? New DWORD 32-bit value domain accounts. Double click, make it 1, the value data, and click on OK, and your job is done. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.